A few months ago, we bumped into the Bollinger team, who turned out to be mad cyclists. The next thing we know, we came up with this idea to ride from Brompton to Bollinger. So we got 4 Bolly Bromptons, the rest of the team from the factory scattered around, have all put up their Bromptons, and we're heading to Bollinger. Piling from the factory to Euston, folding the bikes up, getting out at Calais, and then it's about 240 miles, and we'll be heading down to Rheims. And in 3 days' time, hopefully, we'll all be popping open a bottle or 2. Right, team. Sun is shining. Champagne is waiting. Let's go.
We are just about to set off from St Pancras. I've done 26 miles in training. I'm about to do over 200 miles. Feeling slightly apprehensive.
We're having a lot of fun. I think it kind of portrays what Brompton's all about, and we're looking forward to getting to know some new people and going on, on our bikes and seeing things that we've never seen before.
This is all quite exciting stuff. I'm very much looking forward to riding and getting to know this group of guys, but also seeing how the Brompton performs on the rolling roads of France.
We have just arrived to Calais with the Eurostar from London St Pancras, and we are going to St Omer today. Basically, it's going to be an easy 45-kilometer ride.
Today it starts getting serious, 120 kilometers, and there's talk of 35 degrees.
We're in St Omer on day 2 of 4. Legs feel okay thus far. I've never ridden this sort of distance before in a day, so it's a bit of a learning curve.
I'm really excited. It's the first time I've been with the Brompton crowd. Great team spirit. We're all getting together and really enjoying the ride.
The pace is definitely faster than I anticipated. We have already cycled just over 40 miles. I'm probably feeling a little bit weary at this point. Today was described to me as pan flat. I'm not sure I'd agree with that.
There are a few clouds, which is exciting, but the talk is it's going to be just as hot, but obviously we've got further to go, so really there's nothing for it than just to ignore the bum, the legs, the knees, and just go for it.
It's another long day on the road, but we're going to end it in Rheims, in the heart of Champagne.
Just keep your chin up. I think everyone will get through, so as long as you keep positive, you'll be fine.
Today I'm riding on the e-bike because I didn't want to take no chance, and it's a piece of a cake, like a walk in the park.
So we are standing in Rheims, and we are mentally home and dry. We have to get over one rather large hill, and then it's vineyards and champagne all the way, because it has been hard, and the hardness creates a tremendous bond amongst the team, and it's just been epic.
This is the final push now. I think everyone's kind of looking forward to it and kind of feel like we've sort of really achieved something.
Great group of people, fantastic support. We've been properly looked after by Bollinger. Food's been good, wine's been good, company's been good. Yeah, it's been awesome.
It's been absolutely unreal, amazing. I couldn't recommend it to anyone anymore, anyone of all abilities.
I couldn't have hoped for more in terms of the whole experience and how everyone's got on, and I think we'll take a lot of memories back, and hopefully we'll inspire, definitely from a Brompton perspective, more events like this that brings us all together and gets to know each other a lot more.
It's been amazing. It's been a journey, to use that cliche. It's been a roller coaster, but this is absolutely the reward.
Fantastic to ride with the Brompton team, they've all been brilliant. And my Mensendorf team, the support team have gelled together, and I think it's just been great.
This has been such fun, from a completely random meeting of some guys from Bollinger who said, why not? And this is an example of taking a why not and making it happen, and how lucky are we to have done it. And it's just been epic. The staff have loved it, the Bollinger team have loved it, we've all been spoilt, and that's what life's all about.